As a mason, you know your trowel becomes an extension of yourself. It's a symbol of the quality and perfection you put into each job and defines your commitment to hard work and dedication. Marshalltown has continued the tradition of quality and perfection with the introduction of our new leather-handled brick trowels. The new trowels feature the same iconic blade, bumper, and finger guard that you've grown to know and trust, but now features a fully fitted leather handle, unlike anything you've seen or felt on the market. The natural burnished finish gives you the authentic, comfortable feel you've been looking for in a leather handle. Pick yours up today at your local dealer or visit Marshalltown.com. Marshalltown, the leader of the industry since 1890.